All right, so here's the problem. Well, it's not a problem, but here's my. So I started this project earlier today, and I ended up running out and buying this chop-off saw. I made a quick little video about it. They'll be posted in a bit, or posted earlier. Anyway, now I'm going to officially start getting my project done. What I'm doing is creating a little dolly, a little cart to put my stand-up drill press on so I can move it around. I picked up some casters at Harbor Freight, and I'm going to weld a base. I got this steel. It's a little overkill for my project, but I got it for free, so I'm using it. Oh boy, what is it? At least a 1/4 inch thick. Yeah, super heavy duty, way overkill. Anyway, but it'll work. It'll work for what I'm doing. I have to do a bit more grind. These are going to get welded on like that. Prep to these end pieces. Could do a little more prep to these end pieces. Okay, since my what I've been using as a work table is not flat, I'm going to tack this up on the ground, then lift it up to it. Even though the concrete isn't exactly flat, it's better than what my scaffold plank is doing for me. So I'll tack this up, bring it up there, and at some point in the future, I should try to come up with a big flat piece of steel. Alright, I did a little bit more than just tack it on the ground, but I will bring it up right now and finish it. I'm not going to go across every seam because it doesn't really need it. It's just going to hold a drill press stand. But that's pretty good. Solid. See where'd that wire brush go? See, that's not bad. I actually feel like I'm making progress. That one's not bad either. Welding is probably some of the ugliest welds I've done so far, but it's not going to take much to hold them. They really only need to be tacked on, but they're semi-tacked, semi-welded, semi-burned. The hole's where I'm going. Alright, so here's the final product. My drill press is now on this cart, and it moves around nice. I got some casters, I can lock it. Got casters that lock, and now I can move this around so it's not in my way. It's a little bit taller than it was, but you know what? That's a benefit. I'm a giant. I like things a little taller than normal. Now I can just set that like that, set it right out of the way. So this is Andrew, the Bearded Giant. Just made a cart for my stand-up drill press, and I am calling it a day. Hey, subscribe if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to support a small YouTuber, and thank you for watching. Peace out.